Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of my favorite DIY trends that has taken backyards, patios and balconies by storm. Wooden pallet outdoor furniture and decorations. Pallets are affordable, sustainable and surprisingly versatile. With just a little creativity and some basic tools, you can transform these humble wooden platforms into stunning furniture pieces and unique decor that instantly elevate your outdoor experience. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's explore how to design, build, and style your own pallet projects, from simple benches to full backyard lounges. Before we jump into the DIY builds, let's answer the big question. Why pallets? Number 1. Cost. Most of the time, pallets can be found for free or at a very low price. Supermarkets, warehouses, and even hardware stores often have stacks they are happy to give away. Number 2. Sustainability. Reusing pallets keeps them out of landfills and reduces demand for new lumber. If you care about eco-friendly living, this is a perfect starting point. And number 3. Style. Pallets naturally give that rustic industrial vibe that is trending everywhere. Pinterest boards, cafes, boutique hotels. With a little sanding and finishing, they can look chic and polished. Now, not all pallets are created equal. Before you get started, check the stamps. Look for HT, meaning heat treated. Avoid MB, which stands for methyl bromide, a toxic chemical treatment. Inspect for damage. Skip pallets with deep stains, rot or weak boards. Prep properly. Sand down rough edges, pull out stray nails, and if you want a longer lifespan outdoors, seal with weather-resistant varnish or outdoor paint. This prep work isn't just glamorous, but it is what makes the difference between a pallet project that falls apart and one that lasts for years. Alright, now for the fun part, the builds. Let's talk furniture. Number 1. Pallet sofas and sectionals. Stack 2 pallets as a base and another for the backrest and secure them with screws. Throw in some cushions or even repurposed mattresses cut to size, and suddenly you have got an outdoor lounge. Arrange multiple sections together for a full L-shaped sofa. Number 2. Coffee tables. Flip a pallet, add wheels or short legs, and you have got a rustic coffee table. For a modern twist, place a sheet of glass on top. Instant upgrade. Number 3. Daybeds and lounges. Use longer pallets to create a chaise lounge. Tilt one end with angled support for that perfect recline. Add weatherproof cushions and you have built the ultimate sun-soaking spot. Number 4. Dining sets. Stack pallets higher for a table base, then top with a smooth board or glass. Combine with pallet benches or stools and you have got a full outdoor dining set, great for barbecue nights. Number 5. Bar counters. 2 or 3 upright pallets can form the front of an outdoor bar. Add a counter surface on top. String some fairy lights and suddenly your backyard is the gathering spot. The beauty of these builds is that they are modular. You can rearrange or expand them anytime as your space or needs change. Furniture is just one side of the coin. Pallets also shine when used for decoration. Here are some crowd pleasers. Vertical gardens. Stand a pallet upright, add landscaping fabric behind the slats, and plant herbs or succulents. It is perfect for small spaces. Art and signage. With some paint or stencil, pallet booths can turn into charming garden signs, welcome booths or wall arts. What makes pallet doors special is how personalized it can be. No two projects look the same because every pallet has its own texture, knots and story. And there you have it. From pallet sofas and dining sets to vertical gardens and decorative lighting, the possibilities are endless. If you have enjoyed this deep dive into pallet furniture and decorations, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY inspiration, and share your favorite pallet project ideas in the comments below. I would love to hear what you are building. Until next time, get creative, have fun, and remember, sometimes the best furniture doesn't come from a store. It comes from a wooden pallet. So until next time, happy decorating.